Cumberland County, northeastern Hope County, until 6:45 p.m. At 5:54 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 9 miles northwest of Hope Air Force Base, or 10 miles northwest of Fort Bragg, moving east at 20 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated.
The camera didn't start on time because it was being too lazy, and I didn't notice it was coming.
Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Fayetteville, Fort Bragg, Hope Air Force Base, Hope Mills, Spring Lake, Linden, Pineview, Anderson Creek, Timber Lake, and Bonnie Dillon. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 6:45 p.m. for the following counties in North Carolina, Cumberland, Harnett, Holt, and more.